When the Roanoke Public Libraries of the City of Roanoke begin curbside book pickup on Monday, July 6th, you will be able to pick up books, movies, music, and more that you have requested from us in advance. In the library world, we call this placing a hold. There are a couple of different ways you can place a hold with us, so let's take a couple of minutes to make sure you feel comfortable with the different methods. First, you can call us. You can reach a librarian between 10 a.m. and 6 p.m. Mondays through Fridays at the main library by calling 540-853-2473. Or you can contact your preferred neighborhood branch staff by finding their number at roanokeva.gov/libraries. When you call, you can tell us what you're looking for and we can place the hold for you that way. Or you can place your hold yourself online by going to rvl.info. In order to place a hold online, you will need your library card number and PIN. If you look at the back of your library card, whether that's a credit card size card or the keychain card, you'll see a series of numbers beneath the barcode that begin with a 1, then 4 nines, and then it's usually about 8 more numbers. When you sign in, you'll want to enter all of those numbers starting with the 1 with no spaces between them, and then you'll also be asked to enter your PIN. PINs tend to automatically be set to RVL, but it's possible that you changed yours at some point to another alphanumeric code. But if you have any trouble logging in, please don't hesitate to give us a call and we'll help you out. When you go to rvl.info, whether on your laptop, tablet, or mobile device, you'll see a website that looks like this. I'm currently logged in, but if you were not logged in, where mine says logged out, your screen would say log in, and that's where you'd click to enter your full library card number and your PIN. Once you're logged in, you can search for materials. So let's say I want to find the novel Sing Unburied Sing. I'm going to type it into the search bar here. I don't have any preferences at the moment as to what library the copy is available at, or any particular author or keywords or anything. I know this is the title. I'm just going to go straight ahead and type it in and hit search. When I hit search, it shows me that there are 8 results. The first one, if you look at the word format here, you'll see that this is an e-audiobook. So that's not quite what I'm looking for. I'd like the print edition. If you scroll down, there's a large print edition available, or there's a more standard print edition here. We also have it as a book on CD. So I'm curious now to see where Sing Unburied Sing is currently available. So I'm going to go ahead and click the title here. When I click the title, this screen pops up that provides a little more information about the book. It talks about the author, so if I wanted to see what else she wrote, I could click here. It says the publication date, how many pages it is, and then it gives a description of the book. I'm going to keep scrolling down to see where this book is available. As you can see, it's quite popular, and it looks like it's available at many of the libraries in the Roanoke Valley Library Consortium system. I want to pick my copy up from the main library, and since it looks like none of them are currently checked out, I can go ahead and do that by hitting place hold next to where the main library has the book listed. It actually has 2 copies at the main library. I'm just going to click this one and hit place hold, and then this other box pops up with the title, and then again it confirmed my pickup library location, so I hit place holds, and then it says action success, so the hold has been placed. So that's one way to place a hold if you know precisely what you're looking for. But let's say you don't know quite what you're looking for and want to see what's available. So let's say you want to pick up a movie on dinosaurs for your nephew. You can start your search really broadly by typing dinosaurs into the search bar here and clicking search. That then pops up with over 1,000 results. So we have 1,663 materials on dinosaurs. That's kind of a lot to sort through, so let's see if we can narrow that search down. If you look on the left over here, there are options for limiting your search. So if you want a DVD, you would click DVD and then click include. And then that eliminates all of the non-DVDs. So now we're down to 206 options, which is still a lot less, but it's still maybe a lot to sift through. It says over here there are 18 pages of results. So if you scroll down a little bit more, you can see there's some different options. If I want a child's DVD or one that has child-friendly content, I'll want to click juvenile, and then remember again to click include, and that narrowed it down to 132 results. Now let's say I want to see what is currently available at a specific library branch, so I know that the hold can come to me relatively quickly. You can place holds for any materials anywhere in our system and pick them up at any location, but if an item has to travel from one branch to another, it can take a day or two. So let's say I want to see what's available at my local neighborhood library right now. Scroll down again to where it says library, click more, and if I want a dinosaur DVD for a child that is at the Melrose Library specifically, I would click the box next to Melrose and then hit include again, and that narrows it down to 14 results, which is much more manageable. So these are the children's DVDs about dinosaurs currently available at the Melrose Branch Library. I would like to request the Good Dinosaur. So you can click, like we did before, you can click the title and see all of the different locations it's available, or you can just click place hold over on the right. So I'm going to do that. And then make sure you change the pickup library. This one tends to default to Maine if you have a city card. So scroll down to Melrose, click place holds. And then once again, it has the title and action success. Okay, and now I have placed that DVD on hold. So hopefully those are some useful tips and tricks for how to search for items and how to narrow searches given how broad our catalog is. If you want to make sure that your holds went through, go up to this blue section here at the top and click My Account. And then it will tell you some options for your personal information. So you could actually change your PIN here once you're logged in. If there's, say, a 4-digit code you'll remember more easily, this is a place where you can do it. You can see what you currently have checked out. So I currently have one book checked out. If you look here where it says holds, you can see what items you currently have on hold. So I requested Sing Unburied Sing to pick up at Maine. Its status here is pending. And then I also requested the DVD, The Good Dinosaur, to pick up at Melrose. It is also pending. And this is a place where you can tell the status of your items to see if they're in transit to you or if they're ready to be picked up. Another note about your account page, you can also see what your fines are. So if you click this, it will actually tell you what you have fines on, what those fines are. I owe $2.80. So that's just a good way to keep track of your fines as well. But please do note that during this time, we have no fines on materials checked out during the COVID-19 pandemic. So once you've placed your holds, you can also edit them from this page. If you go back to the holds menu, you can edit the pickup location if you want to change them to a different place. You can suspend your hold if you want to wait a little while, or you can cancel your hold. Please note that items placed on hold during this time might take a little while to get to you just because of the volume of holds coming through and how popular some items are. So if you know something you want, I encourage you to go ahead and place it on hold now, even though it's not quite July 6th, so that you'll be at the top of the list when things come in. We do give holds to people in the order in which they are requested. Once your hold has come into your preferred library, we will give you a call. And each library has slightly different procedures for our curbside pickup. So please keep an eye out and watch our videos on how to do curbside pickup at each branch. And we look forward to serving you soon. Thanks so much and happy reading.